All right, one of my favorite altcoins, Algorand. Let's take a look at some big price predictions, not just for next year, not just for this year, but for the next several years. Changelly does a fantastic job breaking down price predictions for the future. Of course, none of this is financial advice. None of this is guaranteed. We're just trying to predict the future here. Of course, nobody knows exactly how this is going to play out, but we are getting better at predicting these sort of things with AI and taking a big data set and looking at kind of where past performance could lead us and where past bull markets could lead us. Now, Algorand is a top 50 crypto. Of course, they were a huge sponsor this past year at the World Cup. A lot of great things happening with Algo in terms of, from a tech standpoint. And they have a great leader who also is very good friends with another great leader in Charles Hoskinson. So a lot to like about Algorand and their technology. I am an investor here of Algorand, so I'm very concerned about where we could be heading next for the price of Algo. Let's dive into it here and smash the like button for us, as we always are bringing you up to speed on new content right here on the channel. I appreciate you guys so much. Wouldn't be able to do it without you. And figured I'd come in here and make a bunch of videos before I go hit the links today. Let me know down below if you guys are a golfer. If you guys golf on the weekends or even during the week. Are you guys in a league? Let me know what you shoot down below too. I'm getting really back into golfing, so man, it's fun. It's exciting. So Algorand price predictions 2023, 24, 25, 26, all the way out to 2030. So we're going to break it down and talk about where Algorand could go for the next several years. So right now, Algorand's price sitting just about 12%, and you could see all-time high $3.28 Algorand was. That's pretty crazy, right? So we have a lot of room to run from now until the previous all-time high. And the analysis from a technical standpoint suggests that current market is feeling a little bit bearish right now with fear and greed index around 50. We have dialed back in the overall cryptocurrency market a little bit over the past several days. And over the past month, Algorand has had 13 out of 30 green days, which is about 43%. That means 57% have been in the red. When discussing future trading opportunities of digital assets, it's essential to pay attention to the market sentiments, bearish and bullish. Now, when we take a look at Algorand for the next 30 days, what we could expect to see, it's interesting. Basically, consolidation, right? And basically nothing. So essentially, the prediction here is on August 20th, August 21st, price will be the same. And things could, I think, remain kind of stagnant here in the cryptocurrency market until we get to Q4 of this year. A lot of people believe that to be true as well. Now, in terms of some of the prediction tables where we could be heading, okay, now keep in mind the overall price was over $3 in the previous bull cycle. We think we'll be back to a previous bull cycle at some point, in 2025, I would think would be a good guess. And let me just make sure, previous all-time high here. Yeah, we're down 96% from that previous all-time high set 4 years ago. So Algorand's previous all-time high was actually set in 2019, $3.28. We did not get all the way up there back in 2021. So 2019 was their all-time high. Now, for Algorand, it looks as if they don't think we'll get back there until potentially 2031. Okay, so let me pull this over, this chart, so you can see exactly what we're looking at here. Algorand prediction table. So I think these are pretty conservative estimates. I really do. Okay, for Algo. But if we look out into 2025, which I think will be at some point in a full-fledged bull market, they don't think we're going to get quite back to the all-time high. Not even close, actually. Now, they're looking at this, I think, from a very conservative lens. They're looking at this basically as like a 3x from now until 2025, which isn't bad by any means, but of course we want a lot more than that. And then they look out to 2031 is when we could potentially breach that $3 mark again. 2032 is when they're saying new all-time highs will be set and giving a maximum price target of about $4.85. Now, again, they're running a bunch of different algorithms. They're doing it kind of their own way, right? Depends on where you look here. You'll get a bunch of different, analysts looking at this differently. But essentially, if we go down here for 2024, this gives you the full breakdown of next year. And I think, basically the high point in their eyes would be about 24 cents. So at various times things could be very volatile, but they think we can get to 24 cents at some point by the end of the year. Potential ROI there, 118%. There it is right there. Now, again, these are just predictions, and I think these are pretty conservative ones. 2025, potential ROI, 218%. We could potentially get all the way up to 35 cents by the end of the year. Okay, potential ROI here on 2026, 372%, getting all the way to 52 cents. 2027, 591%, all the way to 76 cents. 881% by 2028. Now we're back up over $1. Over 1,300% ROI from now until 2029, 2030 rather, nearly 2,000%. Look at 2031, nearly 3,000%. And then 2032, 4,300% returns from now until then. It's very hard to predict where Algorand will be from now until then. Here's the thing that we do know. I think we're heading back into a bull market. Algorand's interesting because a lot of these cryptos set their all-time highs in 2021. Algorand did not, right? Algorand did not. They set their all-time high back in 2019. So it'll be interesting to see what kind of run Algorand can have. A lot of it's going to hinge on adoption. A lot of it's going to hinge on narrative, partnerships, those sort of things. We'll be keeping tabs on it. I still like Algorand. In terms of these price targets, I think we can get back to all-time highs a little bit sooner than 2032. But I do understand what Changelly's doing here, giving a nice conservative estimate before we enter this bull run. And still, the returns here, the potential returns for Algorand, still really, really nice. So let me know what you guys think about these. Agree with them, disagree with them. Let me know down below. We'll see you in the next one.